Hey everybody, One Empire here. Today I have a video showing the replacement of a blower motor. There's other videos on how to take them out. This one is not the factory motor for my 2000 Subaru Forester. It's apparently a replacement, and aside from some wiring issues, we're going to not get into that. So I think what I'm going to do is take these bolts out and replace the motor assembly itself and leave this housing. The reason being, this is the new motor and whatnot. Oh no, it's a different design. The wiring harness, the plug matches up with my Forester, but when I plug it in, it blows, but no air are hardly coming out of the vents, and that is because this basket is designed to blow air in the opposite direction as this one. You see these blades here, these fins are kind of in a clockwise direction, whereas this one is counterclockwise. And these types of fans are not designed to run backwards efficiently. So you could reverse the wiring and get some airflow, but you're probably risking a lot by doing that. So I have to find a solution in trying to either reverse the switch out the baskets or switch out the motors in here, since they should be spinning the same direction. It's just the airflow is being directed the wrong way on this new unit. Otherwise, I'll just return the unit and find the correct one. That's all I have for now. One Empire signing out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.